Okay, let's do another 90 seconds with Chima. Um, this again is with the yeah. So um, I'm back again. I have my phone ring. Yeah. So 90 seconds. I'm already 20 seconds in. So we took this. In fact, there were two trades, I believe. So the first one was this. Let's bring this here. So this was the first one, right? Where was that? So this was the first one, was a sell trade. This is based on the wave strategy, by the way. So let's see if we can apply the template, wave template, and let's just push this up. Oh, my time is running out. And then let me get me the trade history. Okay, so um, right. So this was me going down to this level here to actually I went down to 1 to check this. So the entry of that trade was here. So the break of this moving average here, and so I got in here, closed part of the trade here, and then moved the stop loss up to here, and the second one just took me out, just a scratch. Then this other one here, let's go down to 1 minute so I can show you better. So the second one got in here, so this was the entry. And then price went up 10 points, I believe. Yeah, about 12 points, something like that. 12,000 points. But yeah, 12 points. And when you look at it like other indices, and that was closed part of the trade. Then went up that way, another 32 points, closed part of the trade, another 40 points, closed another portion of the trade, and then the last portion, which is 0.01, is now running still. And you can see 0.0009 out of 0.01. And so I just have 10% of the position still open, and this is just taking quick profits on the synthetic indices, as it were. So again, on the wave strategy, just keeps delivering. Once it's on an up move, I'm not looking for a sell. If it's on a down move, I'm looking for a sell. So up move, buy, 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 buy. But can you see that price came all the way down, almost got to the stop loss, because now I've moved the stop loss to so this trade is a 100% risk-free trade now, and is up about 7 points, something like that, locked in. And so maybe I should lock in a bit more up here, so that if it then takes me out, then I'm out. I'm thinking of bringing it up here. So if I did that, that locks in about 12 points. So we will see. We will see where that takes us. But remember, I'm trying to get this to just keep going, because it's on an up move. Keep going. I want it to keep going. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, that's it. This is 3 minutes now. 90 seconds. All right. Catch you later. Cheers.